The transatlantic slave trade extended right across the West African coast. A fertile stretch of this along Nigeria today was in fact known as the Slave Coast. It was then one of the most densely populated parts of Africa and one of the most important centers with the Atlantic slave trade from the early 16th to the 19th century. The slave trade was part of a wider network known as the triangular trade.
It is a triangle between the ship leave from Europe, go take the cargo of enslaved people in Africa and ship them to Caribbean or South America or exceptionally North America, and take the sugar and different products from the Caribbean. So it was really sugar that was a hot product at the time, and later it was cotton, and ship it to Europe for manufacturing purposes and transformation. So this is what it calls a triangular trade.
So the ships were never empty of cargo,
yes.
human and non-human?
Exactly. Whiskey, weapons, beads for Africa, humans for the Americas and Caribbeans, and sugar and different products from the Caribbean to Europe.
The transport of slaves to the Americas and Caribbean was known as the Middle Passage. Slaving ships made calls along Africa's Atlantic coast, including here in Lagos, Nigeria's main port. Africans were also acquired from the interior of the continent, for instance from the Kingdom of Congo, which includes territory today that makes up the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Angola. The colony of Luanda was established by the Portuguese in 1575. They were mostly interested in the slave trade. They conquered the coastal areas which could serve as slave trading hubs, and Luanda was the biggest of these.